Namaste, friends. The sincere devotee walking this path of God communion has to reflect, has to ask this important question, which is the very basis of any spiritual quest, is that who am I? I am made in this image of God, and the aberrations that I see in myself is only a result of the identification with this physical body, an ego taking a center stage where I associate myself with this body, the small achievements that this body has made, which according to the ego are a big deal, and swelling up my sense of pride that I completely forget as to who am I. When I am a speck of God, I am a speck of the Brahma, then why do I behave like this? Why do I identify with my ego? This is all a result of the cumulative karma that I have done in this life and the lives before. And hence, I completely forget. I completely I have an amnesia for the true essence of myself. Hence, I show so many negative traits and emotions, which often makes me wonder as to why is this so? What is it that has made me behave in a certain manner? My dear friends, let us not be demoralized by all these negative traits within us. But, but let us just focus and concentrate on the true essence of ourself, which is the Brahma within. And only when we identify ourselves with the Brahma, then automatically our actions will be far more graceful. Our thoughts and actions have to be very focused, single pointed as to, is the Brahma supposed to behave or think like this? Am I being in this positive zone, or am I giving into fear, anger, anxiety, stress, and all these negative manifestations of the negativity that is within us, which is far removed from the true essence of ourself, which is pure, sublime, positive, and giving happiness around. So, my dear friends, unless we ask this question as to what is the true essence of my nature and what is it that I should be focusing on in cleansing myself, I should be focusing on kind of redirecting my thoughts and actions in a way which is matching that of the Brahma, the essential quality of Brahma. And only when I'm aware of this, only then when I have reminded myself of this ultimate truth, then I will walk the talk. I will not be saying things to impress others. I will be an embodiment of those positive qualities that I want in myself. So, it should be a daily exercise for ourselves to remind as to I being essentially the Brahma within, and I will not behave in a way that is negative, that is far removed from the Brahma qualities. Then it will aid my my quest for God communion. It will give a boost to my morale, and it will help me in keeping my spirits high When there is a pitfall, I will dust myself and stand up and say that, okay, this is a mistake I did, but do I dwell on this? Do I waste my time thinking about it? Or do I take a forward stance where I will only embody the Brahma qualities? So, my dear friends, let us all muster the courage to identify only with the soul or the Brahma within and move forward in our quest for God communion.